Hi, I'm Drew Canole here. Your body is talking to you every single day, and most people, they simply ignore it. They think cold hands are just how you are, or maybe they chalk it up for aging. They think tingling feet is just from sitting too long. Wrong. Your hands and feet are the furthest points from your heart. The first to show problems. They're the last to get blood, and they're basically a billboard for what's happening inside your body. Sign number one, your hands and feet are frosty. They're a little cold, even in July. This is low mitochondrial energy. Your mitochondria, I've been talking about this for 20 years, are the power plant cells inside your body. They take on food, oxygen, and they turn it into ATP, cellular energy. Heart, brain, lungs get energy. In your hands and feet, bottom of the list, people. Why are your mitochondria struggling? Two reasons. You're not moving enough, and you're deficient in nutrients that your mitochondria actually need to function correctly. So here's the fix. I stack CoQ10 or ubiquinol every day, 100 to 200 milligrams. PQQ is one of my favorite things for energy, 10 to 20 milligrams. Creatine, 5 grams if you don't have kidney stuff. And if your body can handle it, a little bit of niacin. I sit in the sauna 3 days a week, put a little niacin in some water before I go. Start with 50 milligrams because it will cause a flush. Skin turns red and tingly, looks like you're sitting in Satan's kitchen. That's your blood vessels dilating, and that's your circulation increasing. And move more. Walking after you eat. Moving first thing in the morning. I'll drink 16 to 20 ounces of room temp water. I take a lemon, salt, red juice, and green juice from Organifi. I put a little cinnamon and a little cayenne in it. I blend it up. I drink that first thing, and then I do 7 Tai Chi moves, or Qigong we could call them, where I move my body. Sign number 2, your fingers turn white or purple when it's cold. This is Raynaud's phenomenon. Your blood vessels overreact to cold and constrict too much. The root cause, low nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and dilates blood vessels. Without it, vessels constrict, and your fingers will literally turn white or purple. I dated a girl once. Her hands were always freezing. It was the middle of July, and her hands were so cold. She started drinking red juice, went away. Why? We put beetroot powder in there. 1 to 2 teaspoons every single day of the red juice. Game changer. Also, we added in L-citrulline, 3 to 6 grams a day. Contrast therapy helps. You could literally just splash some cold water on your back. Activate the brown fat right behind your neck. By the way, kids have more brown fat on the back of their neck. So don't worry about wrapping them up so much. Their brown fat actually is their internal thermostat. I see far too many parents wrap their kids up way too much, and it doesn't give their multidimensional suit, aka the human body, enough to evolve and get used to cold weather. Cold is great for us. It makes us resilient. It boosts our immunity, and it literally burns calories. Sign number 3, your thyroid tests are normal, but you're always cold, tired, and you're even losing your hair. Most doctors only test TSH. TSH can be normal while your active thyroid hormone, be it T3, is actually low. T3 drives metabolism, energy production, and circulation. When it's low, your body doesn't generate heat. Your circulation decreases. Your hair follicles, well, they don't get the nutrients that they actually need. So support your thyroid. Also, selenium, 200 micrograms daily. It's loaded in Brazil nuts. Selenium converts into T4, which is the inactive hormone, and it converts it into the T3. Ashwagandha is great for this too. 3 to 600 milligrams a day. We put 600 in the green juice. First thing in the morning, warm water. I blend up a whole entire lemon because you want the pith and the seeds. Salt, little red juice, ACV, cayenne, and cinnamon. This is going to kickstart your day. It's going to kickstart your metabolism, which supports your adrenals in your back. It balances your minerals. It makes your cognitive function more optimal. It's amazing. Sign number 4, you bruise easy or you got spider veins and they're showing up absolutely everywhere. This is a collagen and vitamin C deficiency. Your blood vessels are made of collagen. When you don't have enough, the vessels get weak. The cell walls start to break and they become fragile. They bruise easily from the slightest bump. So if you're bruising easily, this could be it. Spider veins appear because vessels are dilated and damaged. One of my favorite things with vitamin C would be a superfood called Camu Camu, one of the richest sources of natural vitamin C on the planet. 1 teaspoon a day literally gives you more vitamin C than eating a whole handful of oranges. I'm also the guy that dehydrates orange slices. I eat the whole entire thing, which gets rid of phlegm, mucus in the body. One of the best treats. Kids love it too. Dehydrated orange, it's better than a lot of the candy that's out on the market today. Let's not forget about our dear friend horse chestnut. This strengthens vein walls and reduces leakage. Citrus, bioflavonoids, work with vitamin C to strengthen capillaries. We talked about the orange, the lemon, all of the citrus. Sign number 5, tingling, numbness, or burning in your hands and feet. This is nerve damage, usually created by 3 things. High blood sugar, which damages the small nerves in your extremities. This is the earliest sign of diabetes as well. It could be a vitamin B12 deficiency. Most people have an MTHFR gene. They don't even know it. They're taking the wrong B12. You want a methylated form, which is crucial for nerve health. Without it, the protective coating around your nerves, it starts to break down over time. Fix it. Stabilize blood sugar. Cut out all the sugar, the fructose, the refined carbs. Eat protein and fat every single meal. Supplement with a methylated B12. Get 1,000 micrograms a day. Sublingual alpha-lipoic acid helps as well. These antioxidants can help regenerate some of those damaged cells. 600 milligrams of alpha-lipoic a day. It's amazing. Sign number 6, swollen hands or feet. I get DMs all the time. People with swollen hands, feet, what can I do? It's usually caused by inflammation and poor lymphatic drainage. Your lymphatic system moves fluid and waste out of your tissues. But unlike your blood, which has a heart, it's a vortex machine, literally moves your blood, your lymph only moves when you move. If you're sitting all day, lymph is just naturally going to get stagnant. Fluid builds up in your extremities, which, if you're tracking it with an Aura or a Whoop or some type of device, it tells you to stand up, move around. There's a reason for that. Rebound. Dry brushing works as well. Most people start at the bottom of their legs. That's the wrong way to do it. You want to open up the lymphatic channels closest to your heart and then move to the extremities. I can do a video on this if you want. Make sure you follow for more. You want to rebalance with electrolytes. It's important to get enough potassium. Most of the electrolytes on the market are garbage. You want to check our store where we actually load up on potassium. This is going to help you out big time with your electrolytes. You want to reduce processed food as well because it's loaded with sodium. 500 to 1,000 milligrams in some of this processed food I see in just one serving. People are getting 4,000 milligrams of sodium a day. It's insane. Increased potassium. Avocados is one of my favorite things. Leafy greens, green bananas. Now here's what most people don't realize. All of these signs that we talked about today, they're not isolated issues. They're all symptoms of root problems. Poor circulation, nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, ultimately mitochondrial dysfunction. If you fix your mitochondria, you'll fix everything in your whole entire body. When you move, when you eat real food, when you supplement with the right minerals, like Shilajit, the Shilajit gummies from Organifi, all of these symptoms will start to improve together. This is what holistic health looks like. Not treating symptoms one by one with a different pill for each problem, but addressing the underlying dysfunction so your body does what it was designed to do. Your body's talking to you. Your hands and your feet are sending the signal. I'm hearing you loud and clear, Captain Connective Tissue. Now it's your turn to listen. I'm Drew Canole. If you want more strategies to decode what your body's actually telling you, click the link below and I'll see you next time.